What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B naturally, and today we are trying out a Christmas gift. Yes, I bought this little spin pour paint contraption here for my son for Christmas, and we're trying it out. And needless to say, it's not starting off good. It came with its own paint. It was supposed to be ready to pour, and this don't look bad, but look at us, y'all. We are trying to spin this thing. This is my son Donovan. He is spinning it, and it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. First of all, it's just the card is slipping a little bit here and there. The paint is too thick, I guess. And usually we paint on canvases, so this was different, trying to paint on a little piece of paper. But yes, y'all, so look at this. I got this thing from Walmart, and I thought it was so cute because we are all new fluid artists, myself and my children. And so look at this. I even tried myself. That thing flew off the little toy. But yeah, so I would not recommend this toy at this point because look at the outcome. Nope.